Before this hearing even gets underway, you're about to witness a courtroom exchange that spirals from a simple legal request into a major lesson about courtroom conduct. A defendant walks in determined to dismiss her court-appointed attorney and speak for herself. But what starts as a discussion about legal representation quickly turns into a tense confrontation with the judge. Watch closely because this case isn't really about whether someone can represent themselves. It's about understanding courtroom procedure, respecting judicial authority, and recognizing how quickly a judge's patience can run out when basic courtroom rules are ignored. The question is, was this simply a misunderstanding, or did this defendant push things far beyond what the court was willing to tolerate?
Court calls the case, People versus Chloe Whitsett.
Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett, who is approaching, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm dismissing my court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay, start with this. What's your name?
Chloe Whitsett.
Okay. And you're intending upon representing yourself in this matter?
At this time, yes, Your Honor, I am. I am dismissing the court-appointed attorney at this time, yes.
Okay, what's going on?
Until my family and I decide what law firm we are going to choose, I will be representing myself.
Okay, all right. So you need time to seek a attorney?
Well, not really, but I have a request at this time as I am representing myself.
Well, not until such time as I relieve Mr. Drukas.
Okay, thank you.
What I'm trying, I have not done so.
Okay.
So I'm trying to figure out what the issue is and what you're intending upon doing.
Dismissing the court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay.
I'm sorry. At this time, I can't make it any clearer, and I don't understand.
You're not making it very clear to me at all.
Okay.
You're not listening.
I'm confused.
Just talking. Are you going to hire an attorney?
Yes.
Or are you going to represent yourself?
Today, Your Honor, I'm going to represent myself. If my request is denied by you, then I will be hiring an attorney. I can't make it any clearer than that.
So so if I relieve Mr. Drukas, you're going to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
So if they set it for a preliminary examination, you're ready to go?
This is I'm representing myself today. I don't know what all happens today, but I'm talking to the judge without the court-appointed attorney.
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, I don't
listen. You don't you dare just lean on my podium and pretend like that. Not here. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pass the matter because if you come back up and start banging your nails on that podium, you're going to be going with Mr. Allen. You may have a seat. Don't shake your head at me. Oh. Mr. Allen, might want to have a conversation with her and tell her that she better check herself before she comes back up here.
Let's pause here for a second because there's an important legal and practical lesson unfolding. Defendants absolutely have the right to request new counsel or even represent themselves in many situations, but those rights come with responsibilities. The judge wasn't objecting to the request itself. He was trying to determine exactly what the defendant wanted and whether she understood the consequences. What escalated the situation was the breakdown in communication and courtroom decorum. Once a judge feels that a participant is refusing to listen, interrupting the process, or showing disrespect to the court, the focus can quickly shift from the legal request to maintaining order in the courtroom. And that's exactly what appears to have happened here. What do you think? Was this simply confusion and frustration, or did the defendant create a problem that could have been avoided with a little more patience and respect?
Thank you, Mr. Durkin. Okay, so who wants to go next? Christian Philippe. Recalls the case, People versus Whitsett.
And Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett.
Your name.
Lucinda.
Apologies on behalf of my client for earlier. I did have an opportunity to speak with her during that break and go over the process of where we are, what's going on right now. She did tell me that she would like to obtain a new attorney. So in the meantime, I can assist her with getting a copy of the discovery, getting a copy of the videos, which I don't have yet. I was going to be asking for an adjournment today to obtain those. So ultimately, I'd be asking for at least a 2-week adjournment. And I talked to her about her behavior in court, and I think that she has an understanding of that and will abide by anything the court orders her to do. So with that, I'd be asking for an adjournment of today's hearing.
Is all of that correct, Ms. Whitsett?
Your Honor, I would like to apologize. I had complete zero understanding. But yes, that is correct.
Ms. Whitsett, let me tell you something. I should have locked you up. You're lucky that I just took a deep breath and said, I don't know what's going on. I'm just asking her questions. And you come in here, I don't think we've ever seen each other. And you just come in here disrespecting me in this court. And I'm going to tell you something else. That man standing beside you right now, it's the only thing that saved you from going to jail. I had pretty much made up my mind that when I came back out here because of what you had done, you were gone. So while you may not want him representing you, he just saved you. Remember one other thing. Funny thing about judges, we have exceedingly long memories. You come in here acting like that on the next day, I'm not even going to ask any questions. You are just going to go. Are we clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
April 11th, 2024. 9 a.m. as your
This
invite
hearing
indicates.
ultimately became a powerful reminder that courtroom behavior can dramatically affect how proceedings unfold. The defendant began by seeking to dismiss her court-appointed attorney and potentially pursue different legal representation, but the real turning point was her conduct during the interaction with the court. After speaking with counsel, she returned with an apology, acknowledged the misunderstanding, and the court granted additional time for her case to move forward. The judge made it very clear that respect for courtroom procedure is not optional and that future misconduct could carry serious consequences. In the end, no immediate jail sanction was imposed, an adjournment was granted, and the defendant was given another opportunity to handle her case appropriately moving forward. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
As your invite indicates, it's time the defendant's bond will continue.
Thank you.